Please subscribe, like, and share.
Down here, the dungeon is for the men. So a minimum of 600 normally kept here until the ship come and they took them to Europe and sell them for the hard work. They have different places where they keep the females. So you go there and see the place. After that, you go to Gate of No Return. Some of the Europeans, they misbehave. Some also go to town and play. So you can go inside, go in.
You have lights inside? Well, this one was the European.
Passes through pipes. So they get to the dance gate first. And from here to this side, they park at the blocks. So this is where, that's what they
So 500 years ago, 600 years ago, these guys already know practice.
Yes, the water, they have it again, they have this metal ball.
No, it's
It's a metal ball called cannonball. Cannon. It was 8, and the chain attached to all of them. Chains, shackles, attached to all of the 8 balls. When the government refuse to go, they hang all the 8 around your leg, your arms, and the Judy from it. You will be lying here, cry, rain will shine until you can't believe it, and you die. That time the rest will go back to the dungeon. The time that this one was iron, they will be behind the bus, seeing you dying. He does that so that it scare you. Anytime that I have to call you, then you have to comply. So many, our sisters and mothers died here. Oh boy.
It means they will go to Europe again.
Where they love their children, they will bring their children to the castle to be educated. You see, the men are very aggressive, very strong. So you cannot come inside, they give them food. So they throw their food from up to down. Food. Yeah, food. They drop their food. Because the men are strong. If you come inside, they can finish you. They will finish you. So they will force all the ladies to go down here to the Gate of No Return. Today, we are going to use the main slave dungeon to the Gate of No Return. So they bring a post here and take them and their bigger vessel on top of this. So what I call this boat in some of Africa, and the people can live their ancestors of some died here. So they bring this one, some of them call addition. Some of them bring it as exhibits. Those who lost their life. About 2-3 months ago, United States of America, Speaker of Parliament, Nancy Pelosi.
Yeah, she was
here. She came here.
Yeah.
With a group of people, about 40 people.
Yeah.
African, American.
There's a whole waiting out there for you.
They beat you with a gun bat.
Oh, so this is where they drop them?
Yeah, this is where they pass to the boats.
Oh, but you.
They are all in chains. You are taken to the ship.
So they drop them to the boat from here.
This is the Gate of No Return.
Yeah, this is the gate of.
No, you can't go to the
more than Tomunya Nikasia cry.
Okay, so now when you're crying from how many Sorry. Okay, did you know my
sad. I don't have any thoughts.
Well, it's a very, very sad place that's hard to understand. You know, I'm just thinking, how is it even possible to have a church here in the middle of this place? People are sometimes difficult to understand.
What we have today is the opportunity to make our presence on earth count. We have inherited all of this, whether it's mess or good. It is in our hands to do the best we can with it. So help us God.
Please subscribe, like, and share.